In today's world, the internet is ahead of all sources of information and collection of data. Many tasks are being performed on the web on a daily basis that otherwise were performed manually earlier. The internet can hold any data added to it, enabling users to search and use it anytime and anywhere. The online tools make it possible for libraries, universities, various public institutes, and organizations to plan and execute various activities via internet, enabling them to perform any activity through the internet platforms. In the current digital era, technological innovations are taking place rapidly, and graphic design also moved to computers and the internet and is increasingly being used to perform various essential tasks. However, computer graphics make it easier for the creative team to create designs and preview the results. The rise of digital graphic design increases the use of design tools, making the entire process of designing more quickly and easy. Reasons to use online design tools. Currently, graphic designing is being used in almost every industry from fashion designing, finance, IT to e-commerce. The online graphic designing tools power up the process of designing as they come with the right set of features. The following are a few reasons why online design tools are helpful. Online design tools can quickly reduce errors, making the designs much better. Online tools come with ready-made templates that can create graphics with customization and make them more appealing. Design tools lay a solid foundation to simplify the artwork and communicate design ideas in significantly less time. These tools enable users to make use of a variety of features like different brushes, emojis, and font styles, icons, and illustrations to create intricate design or graphics. Users can save their online work efficiently and can also record their designing process. They offer a ready-made environment to produce high-quality effects and enable users to complete the work faster in an effective manner. Some online tools also enable users to design animated videos and GIFs and modify video similar to their video editor. They come with various options that allow users to personalize fonts, color, letters, and effects, and provide default categories for different social media platforms, enabling users to design any template and graphics accordingly. Online design tools can be used in various ways to design and create various varieties of templates and graphics according to the user's requirement. The benefits of online design tools. Online design tools provide various benefits to users to create and promote their own creative designs, graphics, and templates. Some of the benefits of using online design tools are as follows. The online graphic designing tools are specifically made for the online environment to meet and match the technical priority. They provide you with an accessible platform that allows users to have their own panel to create and manage their designs just by signing in. These online tool platforms come with dashboards allowing users to create their account, set privacy, save and manage files, and download and share them with others. They provide plenty of management options. Other than design options, these tools can also be used to perform functions like drag and drop, combine or use simple button clicks, and also create own tools using the function of tools. They are very economical, can be used for various purposes such as printing ebooks and posters, or making a presentation, or creating a website or social media posts. This way, online graphic tools offer users an array of options to create, edit, and publish their creative content. Conclusion. Designing helps in opening up many opportunities, especially for businesses. Small businesses and startups can turn their ideas into innovative products or services with the help of various online design tools that are available. Therefore, small business owners or other designers can use various online design tools such as Canva, Pixar, PhotoChart, WordSwag, PicMonkey, and others that are available in the market to make their business process more efficient and strengthen the marketing approach. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.